Kasi mag-usap kayo kung yan, malapit kayo sa isa't isa. Tapos po kasi kasi siya magkailangan na sila rin. Kung isa po, lahat po ba kaya nakarating po yun? Nakarating po kayo reunion nyo.
Ako hindi.
At si Sir Kate, oo. So super busy si Sir, nakalbo na siya. Nakabedol ko ako agad. Oo, agad na lang waitress na, di ba? Hindi siya masyadong kanta. Hindi siya masyadong naka-ano rin siya, naka-stocking. Di ba? At syempre, welcome natin yung may-ari. Ano po yung Sir Daniels? One time girl, I just been around the world. I guess you never had a that sweet guy. I bet her mama never told her why. I'm gonna try to love that girl. My sister never hit the right bird. And I'm not anymore with her black hair. And I'm just looking for her downtown man. That's what I am. Oh, she was from the train, and when she wakes up and thinks of her life, she'll say I'm not so sad, just because I'm in love and she looks still like getting over her last one. And all her presents for a long time gone. She's got a choice. Someday when I should come here, you're gonna understand the kind I've been, and then I'll be before it's over, and my hey, and when she said, when that's so just because I would look when I look at her, she's never get her own time. That's what I hear. That girl, she's my hey.